The world didn't notice it at first. There were no explosions, no breaking news alerts, no emergency press conferences. But behind closed doors, inside advanced factories and AI labs, a silent war began. A war not fought with weapons, but with code, actuators, neural networks, and machines that walk like humans. On one side, Elon Musk's Tesla Optimus V3, a robot designed to work, learn, and scale to millions. On the other, Boston Dynamics' new Atlas, a machine built for agility, precision, and physical dominance. Two radically different philosophies, two visions of the future, one goal: to build the world's first truly useful humanoid robot. This is not hype. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now and today. We compare them head to head. Why humanoid robots matter are known to be for decades. Robots lived in cages. They welded car frames. They assembled circuit boards. They repeated the same motion forever. But the world has changed. Labor shortages are rising. Aging populations are accelerating. Dangerous jobs still exist. And companies realize something critical. The world is built for humans. Doors, stairs, tools, factories, warehouses. Instead of redesigning the world for robots, it makes more sense to design robots for the world. That's where humanoids come in. And no two companies see this future the same way. Tesla Optimus, Ube Tres. Elon Musk's bet on SCR. When Elon Musk first revealed Tesla Optimus, many laughed. A man in a robot suit danced on stage. Critics called it a joke. Analysts dismissed it as a distraction. But Elon wasn't joking by Optimus V3. Tesla had shifted gears completely. This was no longer a concept, it was a product in evolution. Design philosophy slab. Optimus V3 is built with one idea. Make it simple, make it scalable. Its design is clean, minimalistic, human-like, but not intimidating. Tesla didn't chase extreme athleticism. They chased mass production. Inside Optimus V3 HRDWRI, Optimus V3 stands roughly 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing around 56 kilograms. Its body uses lightweight aluminum structural plastic compact actuators, but the real magic is inside. Hands. Optimus V3 features 11 degrees of freedom per hand, force-sensitive fingertips, precision grip for tools, boxers, and proponents. These hands aren't built to fight, they're built to work. Actuators. Tesla abandoned traditional hydraulic systems. Instead, Optimus uses electroactuators, high torque density, low energy consumption. This makes it quieter, cheaper, and easier to maintain. Optimus V3 brain. Tesla AI. This is where Tesla becomes dangerous. Optimus doesn't use off-the-shelf robotics software. It runs on Tesla's full self-driving neural networks, vision-only perception, real-world video training, the same AI that drives Tesla cars. Now, controls a humanoid body. That means object recognition, depth estimation, motion, planning, human imitation, learning. Optimus learns by watching humans, not programming. Not scripting. Learning. What Optimus V3 can actually do as of now. Optimus V3 can walk naturally without tethers, pick and place objects, sort parts in factories, fold clothes, carry loads up to 20 kilograms, navigate complex indoor environments. Is it fast? No. Is it flashy? No. Is it reliable? That's the point. Tesla wants millions of these robots working in factories, warehouses, homes, hospitals. Boston Dynamics, a very different DNA. Now let's talk about the rival. Boston Dynamics didn't start with car stats, they started with military research. Their robots were built to survive uneven terrain, harsh environments, physical chaos. Atlas has always been the star. But the new Atlas is something else entirely. New Atlas, a machine that defies forget, slow. Forget cautious. The new Atlas moves like something alive. It all jumps, twists, balances, recovers from falls, moves backwards, sideways, upside down. Boston Dynamics redesigned Atlas from the ground up. No hydraulics. Exposed joints. Pure electric power. Hardware. COMPR. SOM. New Atlas body, extremely compact joints, high power electric motors, advanced torque controlled. Atlas doesn't walk like a human, it moves better than one. Where Optimus mimics human motion, Atlas redefines it. Strength and agility. Atlas can lift heavier loads, move faster, handle extreme tasks. But this power comes at a cost. Atlas brain control vs layer and NG. Boston Dynamics focuses on pre-planned motion, advanced control systems, physics-based modeling. Atlas knows exactly where every joint is, it doesn't guess. It calculates. That makes Atlas extremely precise, highly stable, almost impossible to knock down, but it also means less adaptive learning, more engineering effort per task. Real-world USAB. Here's the brutal truth. Atlas is incredible, but expensive. Very expensive. Each unit takes enormous engineering effort, is not mass-produced, requires expert maintenance. Optimus. Tesla plans to build it like a car. Same factories, same supply chains, same scaling strategy. This is where collide. The costs WR estimated costs. Tesla Optimus gain trace target under $20,000. Boston Dynamics Atlas. Hundreds of thousands per unit. One is a tool for everyone. The other is a tool for specialists who wins in factories. In factories, Optimus wins on cost deployment, speed, integration with Tesla AI. Atlas wins on complex physical manipulation, unstructured environments, heavy industrial tasks, different tools, different jobs. Home robots, a clear WI and on. Let's be honest. No one wants Atlas in their living room. Optimus is safer, slower, less intimidating, designed for human spaces. This is where Tesla dominates. Elon Musk's real Elon Musk has said it clearly. Optimus will be bigger than Tesla cars. Why? Because labor is the largest cost in the world economy. Replace even 10% of human labor, and you reshape civilization. Optimus isn't about robots, it's about economic transformation. Boston Dynamics' secret ADV and TG, but don't underestimate Boston Dynamics. Their advantages: decades of robotics research, unmatched motion, controlled deep understanding of physical intelligence. If Atlas ever becomes affordable, it becomes terrifyingly powerful. AI is the real B. That's where Warsaw 1. Tesla has billions of miles of real-world data, vision-based AI, massive compute infrastructure. Boston Dynamics has physics mastery, motion, intelligence control, dominance. The future robot will need both. Will they merge approaches? The ultimate humanoid robot. Atlas-level movement, Optimus-level AI, test-level scale. Who achieves that first wins the century. The timeline: 2025 to 2026. Optimus enters limited factory use 2027 to 2028. Home Assistant trials 2030+. Robots everywhere. Atlas still evolving, still experimenting, still perfecting motion. This is just the BGI and INGs. This isn't Tesla versus Boston Dynamics. This is human labor versus machine labor, scarcity versus abundance, the old economy versus the new one. The robot you see today will look primitive in 10 years. Who really wins? Optimus V3 wins on scale, cost, AI learning, real-world adoption. New Atlas wins on physical mastery, agility, engineering excellence. But the real winner, the future, is once humanoid robots arrive, nothing will ever be the same again.